You've mastered the bass clef. You've mastered the treble clef. Now we're going to see how the two are literally connected. Take a look at these 11 lines. Believe it or not, this is actually what piano music is written on. But to make this easier to read, we're going to make the middle line invisible, and then add the two clefs. That invisible line is where middle C, or C4, is. The grand staff is just a combination of the treble clef and the bass clef. Now we'll do some with the piano. We'll count up and down the same way as before using treble clef G, bass clef F, and middle C or C4 as our reference notes. This first one is right in the middle. It's on that invisible line, so this is C4. This one is up in the treble clef, and like before, we will start counting on treble clef G. After G is A, and after A is B. This is B. Which B is it though? This is higher than middle C, so we know it's up here. C4, this is this B. This one's a little easier. We still start counting on treble clef G. Before G is F, E, this is D, one note above middle C. This one's in the bass clef, and we use the bass clef F as a reference. This one happens to be right on F. Now let's expand the range to what you'll be using on the test. This note here is in the treble clef, and just like before, we begin on treble clef G and count backwards. F in the space, and E on the line. This is a little bit above middle C, which is C4, so we know it's this E. A little higher, this is C, G, A, B, C. A little bit lower, we start with bass clef F and count backwards. F, E, D on the line, C on the space, and this is B, and we know it's kind of low. Try to build as much speed as you can. The more you can do this without thinking, the better you'll get. Good luck.